My name's Mark, and this is Magic, and we're going to show you Magic's soccer skills right now, okay? Without further ado, may I present Magic and his best friend, the soccer ball. Here we go. We're going to start with some heading. Head ball. Head ball. Head ball. What happened? You fall down? Head ball. Head ball. Head ball. Okay, for Magic's next trick, he's going to retrieve and dribble it to me. U-turn, U-turn. Bring it home. Right here. Right here. Good boy. Defense. Release. Show me your back flip. Good boy. Nice one. Release. Flip it. Good boy. Okay. Release. U-turn. U-turn. Oh shit. He went into the hole. He's back though. Dribbling through some of the longest grass you can possibly imagine. You can barely see the animal, or the ball for that matter. Here they come. Well done. Okay, how about show them your trap now? Trap it. Trap it. Good boy. U-turn. Bring it here. Okay. Trap it. Trap it. Good boy. Nice trap. One more. One more. Trap it. Well done. Good boy. Bring it back. Go on. Hey, Mark. Magic. 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 Bring it home. Come on. Go team. Bring it home. Good boy. Woohoo. Whoa. One more. Whoa. Well, I hope you enjoyed that, ladies and gentlemen.